रामचंद्र की जय. Nature is not only an objective reality, but it is also a spirit. Nature, Prakriti, it has two forces. One form is the material reality, and on the other hand, it's the spirit. For that reason, it retaliates and vehemently retaliates when it has been attacked by the humanity, by the people, with cruelty and with destructive dimensions. That is why we find so much storm with speed, so much devastation by nature, and the tsunami in the sea. This is the different form of nature that retaliates to the intervention and devastation caused by the human beings on nature. And in future also, it will retaliate like anything. This is a symbol of the arrogance the nature shows, and it may make it gives oxygen. So nature is bountiful, is never red in tooth and claw, as tradition says. Nature is the creative aspect of life. It has made the life possible under the sun. We are living with the huge help by nature. We get everything from nature. It is the mother force. In the words of the great poet Wordsworth, nature is friend, philosopher, and guide. And in Gita, Bhagavan says the mother force is Prakriti, the nature. Shyava Ramchandra ki jai.